Littulsworld.
Hi kids! Today we will learn about fruits. Apple. Red apple. Look at its round shape, smooth skin, and pretty colors. Half apple. At the center of the apple, there are seeds. Slice apple. Slices are perfect for snacks. Round sliced apple. Round sliced apple. Apple. Half apple. Slice apple. Round sliced apple. Pear. Pear. Look at the whole pear. It's round at the bottom and narrow at the top. It has smooth skin and is sweet inside. Carefully cut the pear from the center, top to bottom. Now you have two halves. You'll see seeds in the middle and soft, juicy fruit around them. Round sliced pear. Round sliced pear. Pear. Half pear. Sliced pear. Round sliced pear. Banana. Yellow banana. Look at the whole banana. It's yellow and shaped like a smile. Now you see the soft, sweet banana inside. You slice the banana into small round pieces. Banana slices are perfect for a snack. Banana. Peeled banana. Sliced banana. Round sliced banana. Plum. Plum. It's round, smooth, and has shiny skin. Half plum. Now you can see the juicy inside and the big seed in the middle. Sliced plum. Sliced plum. Plum seed. Plum seed. Plum. Half plum. Sliced plum. Round sliced plum. Kiwi. Kiwi. It's small, brown, and fuzzy on the outside. Inside, you'll see bright green fruit with tiny black seeds. Sliced kiwi. Slices are great for eating. Round sliced kiwi. These look like little green wheels, perfect for snacks. Kiwi. Half kiwi. Sliced kiwi. Round sliced kiwi. Orange. Orange. Look at its bright color and feel its smooth skin. Half orange. Now you can see the juicy segments inside. Sliced orange. Slices are perfect for snacking. Round sliced orange. Round sliced orange. Orange. Half orange. Sliced orange. Round sliced orange. Avocado. Avocado. It's dark green and shaped like an egg. Half avocado. Inside, you'll see a big brown seed. Sliced avocado. Perfect for snacks or toast. Avocado seed. Avocado seed. Avocado. Half avocado. Sliced avocado. Avocado seed. Lemon. Lemon. Look at its bright yellow color and smooth skin. Half lemon. Notice the small seeds and the sour juice. Sliced lemon. These slices are great for lemonade. Round sliced lemon. Round sliced lemon. Lemon. Half lemon. Sliced lemon. Round sliced lemon. Persimmon. Persimmon. Its bright orange color and smooth skin. Half persimmon. The soft, sweet inside. Sliced persimmon. Perfect for a tasty snack. Round sliced persimmon. These round slices look beautiful and are fun to eat. Persimmon. Half persimmon. Sliced persimmon. Round sliced persimmon. Guava. Guava. Its green or yellow skin and smell its sweet aroma. half guava, half guava, dragon fruit, dragon fruit. It has a bright pink skin with green spikes. Half dragon fruit. You'll see white or red flesh with tiny black seeds. Coconut, coconut. Feel its hard, rough shell and shake it to hear the coconut water inside. Half coconut, half coconut. Pineapple, pineapple. It has spiky green leaves and a rough yellow-brown skin. Half pineapple, half pineapple. Peach, peach. Feel its soft, fuzzy skin. Half peach. See the big seed inside. Sliced peach. Perfect for a sweet and juicy snack. Peach seed, peach seed. Peach leaf, peach leaf. Peach, half peach. Sliced peach, peach seed.